What's up, guys? My name is Chris. I'm bringing you this lovely cryptocurrency video from Westlake Village, California, where it is a beautiful, bright and sunny day. Again, it's summer. It feels great. And this is a little bit more of a tutorial video on how to use Metamask if you want to buy yourself some cryptocurrency coins. And a couple that I'm looking at right now, Luna, which is in a blue sky breakout. And I'm going to see if I can find this bad boy right here. So in MetaMask, you have to use wrapped Luna, which I don't know why it's not loving me here. Come on. Where is it? Wrapped. There it was. Let's try again. Wrapped. Is Luna frozen? Let's start off with GRT. We're going to do a custom token here. This one is about a bit of a coin flip right now, but it's so low I can't help but give it a shot. So first thing I'm going to do to add a custom token here, I'm going to go to this guy right here, coinmarketcap.com. Come on, internet, don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, Mr. Internet. Oh, that's what's happening. Internet, go. All right, so you go ahead and search your coin right here. I want GRT. You want to make sure it has the correct Ethereum contract address. You copy it to your clipboard there. You go to custom token. You copy and paste it in there. Make sure you got the right symbol, GRT, and you'll add that custom token. Import, thank you. And I also imported comp as well. And let's see if it'll let me do Luna here. And you have to do wrapped Luna because it's an Ethereum-based, MetaMask is an Ethereum-based wallet. So I do want to go back to import tokens. And I'm going to go with Luna. Why is it? I think there's a lot of traffic on Luna right now, and that's why it's a bit frozen up. So let's see if I can find wrapped Luna on CoinMarketCap, at least will show it. Wrapped Luna, which is this token right here. I'll copy it to my clipboard, and I will go ahead and add the token here. This token's already been added. That's why. So it should already be in my list. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's why it wouldn't let me add it. So first things first, I want to get my big order out of the way. And I'm going to use Tether. I've got a little balance here of 195,000 for Mr. Tether. And then I'm going to go to swap. And I'm going to find the token I want to swap into. Make sure you have the right one. And that's Wrapped Terra Luna. And I'm going to put in the amount, 150,000. Let's put some of this money to work, 149,000. And then I like to always lower the gas fees because why not? Review that swap. I mean, it might take a few more seconds here. I also like to lower the all the fees that I can. That's the gas fee. The other is the slippage fee. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the go button for about 1,300 wrapped Lunas. Mr. Fox, give me what I want here. And it's going to process. It's going to take some time. So I want to get these other trades in as well. So I'm going to go back to my USDT and I'm going to add some comp. I want to do 25,000 in comp. And why are we going to go ahead and pick these tokens here? I can't right now. Okay, what is it?
He finished that. They sent him out an email, important information on Broad Financial. Where's the other application? Where's the Matters Trust application?
All that he finished there is that he needs to finish, I believe, unless he gets an email that says fill out this other application, but that should do it.
I'm going to go over the email that you just got.
Yeah, go over it. Okay. All right, busy day here down in Bitcoin Advisors land. So we got to help all the people we can. The market's pumping, so everybody wants to do something now instead of when the market was dead. And even myself, slow to the table here on these assets. I should have put this money to work some time ago, but hey, you can't get them all the time. But I do imagine as Bitcoin is rallying in everybody's face right now, we're going to get some more upside price action on some of these assets that are breaking out of their formations. And Mr. Compound is, I'll go over these coins actually as soon as we're done here. Review swap. And I'm going to edit those gas fees down from 116 to 116. That didn't really help us, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. 156 comp tokens, and I'm swapping. Thank you, Mr. Fox. Okay. And I'm going to go back to my wallet and get my last one here. 20,000 in comp. 20,000 in comp. And that is, no, I already did comp. We're doing GRT. The graph. Mr. Graph is also, coming off some very low lows. And what's going on here? Come on, internet. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. You've been so good to us here. Why doesn't it want to take? Oh, you got to put an amount in. 20,000. Let's see. Did I have enough juice in that tank? That would have been 195,000. I'm going to put 19,000 just in case. 19,000, and I'm going to review that swap, and I'm going to edit my fee down to the lowest, which is 83 bucks, and I'm going to go ahead and hit swap. Thank you, Mr. Fox. Thank you, Mr. Metamask, my friendly wallet, digital wallet provider. And then let's go back and view it in our wallet, in our portfolio. I should have probably picked up some of this guy. Actually, the other one I was looking at is KSM today.